Hello and welcome to another episode of Outdoor Defense. This week I want to talk to you about a pretty serious topic, and that is whether or not you should go to a second location with someone if you are in a situation where someone is threatening you with a weapon or with force and demanding that you go with them to a second location. Now this can be something that you are concerned could happen if you're out hiking or maybe even if you're out on a run. And I'm going to first say that no matter what you decided to do in that situation that got you out of it is the right thing to do. There are very few things in the self-defense community that we say as absolutes or we put forth as rules, because we know that different things work for different people. But this one thing is something that is pretty much unanimous in the self-defense community, and that is we advise you do not go to a second location with someone. No matter where you are initially when the encounter starts, if the assailant wants to take you to a second location, whether they have a weapon or not, if they're threatening you and want you to come with them, we're going to advise that you stay and you fight for your life in that moment, because statistically, things do not improve when people are taken to a place that is more isolated. Now, whether that's miles away or if it's, just down the street in an abandoned house or something, things do not improve when you are taken somewhere where the assailant has complete control and complete privacy. Instead, we're going to advise that you fight in the moment. And here's why. Because wherever this initial encounter is happening, it is highly more likely that you are going to be in a place where bystanders could hear you if you're yelling no and the altercation is being heard. You are more likely to have self-service to be able to call for help if you need. And if you happen to get injured in the altercation in the fight as you were defending yourself, you're more likely to be near medical care than if you were taken miles and miles away by someone. And if someone is threatening you in the moment, we're not going to believe that they're not going to do something worse to us when they take us somewhere where now they have complete control. Now you're in a harder situation to be able to get out of. So statistically speaking, things don't improve when you go to a second location. All right. So the advice is to fight for your life in the moment and to avoid going to a second location with someone. Again, no matter what you do is going to be the right thing for you in that moment. I'm just here to give you some options. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to pop them down there in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next time on Outdoor Defense.